Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'm making a classic Hollandaise sauce, which is, as it turns out, totally keto. It's high in fat, low in carbs. It's really delicious, and actually, it's probably a little easier to make than you think. I'll show you in just a moment. As we go along, of course, I'm also going to show you the nutritional information for the ingredients that I use, as well as present the macros for the recipe at the end, so stick with us. Let's get started. Here in this bowl, I've got 4 egg yolks, and to them, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then I'm going to start to whisk it fairly vigorously. We want it to double in volume and get thicker. Here, this is after about a minute or two, and you can see it's thickening up already. We're going to just continue on here. It's going to take a minute, so be brave. Here you can see after 2 or 3 minutes, the mixture has thickened up, and we're ready to move on to the next step. We'll need to prepare a double boiler. Put an inch or so of water in the bottom of a saucepan like this and bring it to a boil. When the water comes to a boil, turn the heat way down to just a bare simmer. Place your bowl of egg yolks that you've beaten on top. And now what we're going to do is we're going to drizzle in a half a cup, that's 1 stick, or 112 grams of melted butter. We're going to do that gradually. And while we do, our sauce is going to thicken up like a mayonnaise. Keep whisking the butter in until it's all gone, of course. Just takes a few minutes. Once all of the butter is incorporated, remove it from the heat and continue to whisk a little bit to thicken it up just like this. And let me just show you. There we go. Perfect. To finish the sauce, add a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And just whisk it in. Well, all right, let's check it out. I'm going to give it a taste here real quick. I think this is just such a beautiful sauce. I just love this. You know, this is great on steamed vegetables, for example. I think asparagus, of course, kind of classic. Maybe broccoli, cauliflower would be great. Oh, wow. Just perfect, really delicious. You've got that lovely lemon flavor in the background, and it's buttery and creamy. It's just beautiful. Before we go, let's talk macros for the whole recipe. And now this whole recipe here, right? We've got 1,041.4 calories, 3.5 grams of net carbs, 12 grams of protein, and 114.2 grams of fat per portion. And for me, this makes 4 really generous portions, but decide on the portions for yourself. You can make more portions or fewer. If you cut it into 4 portions, they each have 260.4 calories, 0.9 grams of net carbs, 3 grams of protein, and 28.6 grams of fat. Hey, before you go, please don't forget to like the video, to share it on Facebook and elsewhere in social media, to comment on it right here in YouTube, and to subscribe to my channel. Helps my channel grow, and it helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking, huh? We'll catch you next time.